Alright guys, we have come a long way on APLD stock. Finally, it is hitting $33+ area. Pre-market so far, high 38.75, so far trading at 36.76. So what I'm watching from here, so if you're new to the channel, we have been following this stock pretty much since the beginning of the year and pretty much spot on for the most part. If we go back, even $3 gap fill, and from there IV crush, $10 target, 15, 20 bucks squeeze, $7 gap fill, 15, 20, 21, 21, 33. So September 22nd. So ever since I haven't talked about this one, I was waiting for them to report earnings. So they reported earnings, and market is gapping up. I mean, the stock is gapping up off that earnings. So if I zoom out a little bit more, I have shown this chart, these levels for a while actually, and why I was watching certain levels. So you can see 21 was pretty pivotal, and then after 21 stock, I had this resistance of a 25, 21. Pretty much rejected off that, came back down to 21, bounced, got back above the resistance, and the only resistance from here, from that 25, if I go a little back, it was for me the highest closing price was 31, and then 34.20 highest closing print. That's why I pretty much put the 33 price target. So here we are in a matter of pretty much 1 year from those low threes back down here. This is what you call 10 bagger. So here's what I'm watching. So we did hit these highs. I was watching, I think I was probably sharing it on our Discord, which is free, all these call buyers. So I want to show you guys what people were doing well before. If I go, yeah, I'm not going to be able to go that far. That's fine. But the point is, people were coming in buying $30, $33 strikes for December expiration, for next year's January, March expiration calls. I can even show you maybe on yeah, there's more strikes now, but we were mentioning these calls that were coming in pretty far outside of the money, and I want to keep an eye on those today. So if today and following a few days, this stock pretty much will be in a profit-taking mode, because I think it's getting a little bit overextended here now as a hit. Pre-market, probably it's up like 30% or so. So 20, maybe more than 25% for sure. So maybe even, yeah, 30%, exactly 30 something percent. But I don't know where it's going to open. But my point is, if people will start taking profit, these are the levels. I mean, I would expect even gap fill somewhere right here. But again, I'm not saying that it has to flush down all the way here. For me, these are the levels. 34, okay. If it holds, chops around, or maybe it's going to shoot out even more. And below that, I'm going to be watching 31. And I usually, typically, when I'm watching a momentum stock to the upside, I keep an eye on 5-day moving average. So I want to see where the 5-day moving average is going to open. But you can see how it's been acting as a support, this gray line on my chart. So as long as 20-day holds up, it's still in an uptrend, it's still bullish. But again, if people are going to take profit, yeah, don't be surprised if this stock pulls back and just chops around, just like it has done along the way. It has been pretty, it wasn't a smooth sailing, of course. It had, after first initial run of 15 from 3, pulled back to 10, and it did take quite some time until it broke this level. And it was pretty messy breakout, pull back, and then AI, the whole AI theme was going pretty crazy. This is when the stock joined it, okay? So on the back of this APLD. I mean, I was even making a joke saying that poor man's play, core VIF play is APLD, and I mean, I'm still watching core VIF to the upside, but APLD, this is my take. I'm not trading this stock right here, right now. I don't have a position, but this is the quick update for the stock that we have been watching for quite some time. So I decided to quickly make a video. So next target, yeah, I think at this point, what is it? I mean, yesterday it was 7.8 billion. So probably 10 billion at the moment. I mean, it can push higher. If momentum goes pretty crazy going into Christmas, sure, I'm not going to be surprised if the stock trades 50 plus. But we'll come back to that later. But so far, this is my take. This is not a buy or sell recommendation. This is purely for educational and entertainment purposes only. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.